My name is Charles Edward Thomas. The high school I graduated from was Willow Run High in Willow Run, Michigan. I attended Jackson Community College in 1963. I had worked a year after high school because I graduated in 1962. At Willow Run, you had two choices to go to junior college if you were going to junior college. Either you go down to Henry Ford at that time, or you came to Jackson. At that time, there was only choices for people living between Jackson or Ann Arbor or Ypsilanti. Well, college was one of my priorities because the year I did not go to school, I worked in the factories. Being on the assembly line was not my idea of a job that was going to take you through the rest of your life. I played basketball at JC in '63 with an All-American that I'm sure most of the people here are familiar with is Bobby Tompkins, and he and I we're good friends. We still are, and we knew who the star was, so we knew we had to get the ball to Bobby Tompkins. and he took us all the way to the national tournament. At the national tournament, I was seen playing by Gonzaga University, who then offered me a full scholarship to play at Gonzaga. And so after leaving Jackson, at 1 year, I went to Gonzaga and finished my education at Gonzaga University. So I entered the medical technology field to become a medical technologist at Gonzaga. I went on from there to Michigan State University in the surgery department and worked in the surgery department for the next 30 years. Jackson, for me, and a lot of other kids coming out of high school that don't have that real strong academic background, it helps them get their foot in the hole and lets them understand that, yeah, I can do the work if I put in the time.